andet, der er det der South, hvor der er, det er jo til venstre, højre. Det er et fort, der bygger englænderne. Ja, jeg plejer at stå hernede. Det er rigtig godt sted at stå hernede, hvis man kommer ind sydfra. Der kan man få rigtig godt, dernede på den amerikanske vask, kan man få rigtig godt view.
Welcome to Boston, where the local time is approximately 9:55 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain has brought the aircraft to a complete stop at the gate and has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. If your cell phone is accessible at this time without removing your carry-on luggage from its storage area or releasing your seatbelt, you may use it as we attach to the gate. Prior to deplaning, check around your seating area for your personal belongings. Use caution when opening overhead compartments as items may have shifted during flight. If you are making a connection, a customer service agent will be available inside the gate area to provide your gate or flight departure information, as well as directions to ground transportation and baggage claim. Also, flight information display monitors are located throughout the concourses. Smoking is allowed only in designated areas throughout the airport. On behalf of your captain, your flight crew, and all our crew members, we'd like to thank you for choosing to travel with us today. We definitely enjoyed serving each and every one of you. The next time your travel plans call for air travel, we hope you'll choose us once again. Online booking is fast and easy at airtran.com. Have an enjoyable stay here in the Boston area, or wherever your final destination may be. Air cabin comfortable and cool. If you're sitting next to a window, lower your window shades, open the air vents. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Ja, det er de amerikanske overtros. Der er mange, der ikke vil støtte 13, så overtros. Mange etager, men så lægge 13 herovre. Ja. Det er overtros.
Og det var der også i Paris, så jeg kan huske også den 13. etage.
Vi flyver bare folk ned til...
Der får mange penge, stopper meget.